history repeats itself? We've seen it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, history rhymes, to use that phrase, rather than repeats itself. There's echoes constantly throughout time, and that's for individuals as well. A lot of people look back in their career and they look at their successes and they look at their losses and they notice patterns and echoes that are familiar themes. And that's one thing I do again. When I work with traders, I encourage them to uncover, we try and explore with them, what are the patterns that have echoed in their career when they've been successful, what are the patterns that have echoed their career when they've been failing. And there's a lot of rich information within that for people.
Not a single person in the world knows what the market will do in the short run. End of story. Do you agree or disagree? And what constitutes does the short run?
Completely agree. No one knows what to do in the short run and long run. It might be a better way of doing it. It's complete uncertainty. So the next second is the short run for a short-term trader. For a longer-term trader, the short run is the next few weeks. Do you know what? You can be a bond market trader and you're a long-run trader, but the short run in the last 2 days has killed you. And so you have to, even if you're a long-term trader, you have to pay attention.
Is it becoming harder to make money trading the financial markets? It's more competitive, it's more difficult, people are looking for every advantage.
This is a topic which I've spoken about with an awful lot of people, and you'll often hear this from traders who are having a bad time. You often hear from traders who are unable to cope with a changing environment or a new market, or when the market's changed direction, they'll say you can't make money anymore. It's really interesting because I can be coaching in 2 different banks, and I can go into a bank and I can speak to their foreign exchange. So it happened once I was talking to an exotic FX team in a bank, and I was coaching a couple of people in the morning, and both of them said, there's no money in the market anymore, we can't make any money, this market's killing us, we're struggling. And they went to another bank in the afternoon, coaching one of their exotic FX traders, who said, I've had it off the last few weeks, this is a lovely market. He said it's great. So, it depends where you're looking, where you're coming from, what your perspective is, how you feel at that point in time. Young people who are just starting in the market now, who are being successful, are finding it easy. Some of the older guys who are struggling to change and adapt within you will say, you can't make money anymore. And do you know what, I can go back, I always say to people, read Market Wizards, 1987, it was written, or 1988, the first Market Wizards book. And you'll see people who have made money for 10, 20 years saying there's nothing left in this market anymore. Can't see where the next penny's coming from the next few years. All the opportunities have gone. And that was before the great bull runs in stocks and bonds.
That was written, they were saying that in 1987.
And if you go back to any autobiographical book on markets, the same things that are being said now have always been said.
The echo.
Yeah, the echo.